Charities UK, we support anyone affected by multiple sclerosis. The Grafton Centre has been absolutely fantastic for us to help us raise awareness and to raise some much needed funds. This week 57 people will be diagnosed with MS, and it's thanks to people like the Grafton Centre and the time they've given us that we can reach them. So thank you very much.
I'm from the Royal British Legion, and my two colleagues are also from the Royal British Legion. We've been collecting at the Grafton Centre now for about 10 years, and throughout the time the Grafton Centre have always been very good with us.
My name's Des, and I'm manager of a charity here in Chesterton. We're a local charity, and we work with adults with learning disabilities. We've been going for 30 years, the same as the Grafton. It's really great to be here and enjoy the celebration. Thank you.
I'm Sarah, I'm from Winter Comfort for the Homeless. We run a day centre in Cambridge for homeless people and support them into getting back into work and getting their lives back on track. The Grafton Centre has been brilliant. We've held a stall here a couple of weeks ago.
Hi, my name's Aisha. I am one of the community fundraisers from the After Christmas charity. The Grafton Centre has helped support us for many years now by enabling us to have collections here quite often throughout the year.
I'm Michelle Clark, this is my daughter Mara. We're here for the DS The Big Picture, which is an exhibition raising awareness of Down syndrome based on facts rather than misconceptions, hoping to help new parents and people who don't know much about Down syndrome to chase away the misconceptions and fears. The Grafton Centre has been so kind to allow us to actually exhibit part of the DS The Big Picture on 2 occasions so far, and I'm told that we can actually continue to do that. So thanks very much to the Grafton, and may our relationship continue.